today's video, we have a luxury unboxing, and what makes this unboxing video so special is that these were actually things I received as gifts for my birthday that recently happened. Now, I know last year I did do a what I got for my birthday video. I decided this year just to do the unboxing of the luxury goods I got. If you guys want to know anything else I got for my birthday, be sure to follow me on Instagram because I always post it there, or on TikTok, and you guys can check out the other goodies that I received. One of the things I did buy for myself, because of course I would not make people buy me luxury stuff, that's just absurd. But yeah, I got a couple things to show you guys. I'm so excited and so happy with these things, and I will talk in detail about all of that stuff. Before we get started though, if you guys are new around here, welcome. My name is Andrea. I typically do videos all about beauty, sometimes some fashion, sometimes a little bit of luxury. So if those are topics that interest you, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the post notification bell button so you are aware every single time I post a new video. I got some things to share with you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we'll start with the small stuff first. They are small, but that does not mean that they are cheap. They are definitely more on the pricier side, so it was nice to receive them as gifts. These are both from Chanel, and the first thing I got is not so horribly expensive, but it is for what it is. So this is the Chanel La Creme Main. So this I put, if you guys follow me on Instagram and my blog, I will have the picture right here. I did share a what I want, or like my birthday wish list post on there, and I did include this on there. So this is a hand cream from Chanel, and I know that sounds completely absurd and ridiculous and unnecessary, and it is all of those things, but I have heard amazing and really wonderful things about this hand cream. I've heard that it's just the most rich, nourishing hand cream. It's supposed to really help with like your nails and moisturize your hands as well. And I think it's important because the neck and your eyes and your hands are the first kind of like dead giveaway of your age, especially if you don't take care of them. We use them a lot. So I wanted to kind of just like treat myself and pamper myself with this. Like I said, it is ridiculous for what it is. It is a hand cream, I know, and I think this normally retails for about $50 or something like that, so it is definitely expensive, but it's one of those things that if you receive it as a gift, it hurts a little bit less, and it's just like so luxe. So yeah, it's this like little egg, and then you just open it up here, and then you pump out the cream here. I've heard nothing but amazing things about this. It has really good reviews, and who doesn't love a little Chanel beauty? So this next gift is also from Chanel. This is from my husband, and for the last 2 or 3 years my husband has set like a set budget for what my birthday gift can cost, or my birthday gifts can be. And this year there was several things I ended up really liking, so I did end up getting 3 different gifts from him, all within that budget. And this was the apple of my eye. This was the thing that I have been wanting. I wanted this for actually a very, very long time. It's just a really hard piece to come by. So here we have the gorgeous Chanel box. You open it up and the item comes this really nice velvet packaging. So here we just have the care booklet. Also did come with the like receipt here. Yeah. So this is the little item. We open the pouch and we have the caviar with gold hardware card holder. See that it's brand new because it does still have the seal on it. On the back it does have a pocket so you can put little card in there. When you open it up, it is a snap closure. You open it and you have the gorgeous Chanel stamping right here. And when you open it, it is just a flap card holder. It did come with like extra cards, and then the authenticity card here. Here is the inside of it. So very, very spacious. You can see that you can fit quite a few cards in there. And then on the front, it does also have a little slot where you can fit another card if you wanted to. I am obsessed. I have wanted this for so long. I wanted it is because it's one of the most practical card holder styles, because it is a little like flap like this. You can put so many. I think you can put even up to like 13 or 14 different cards in here. So it carries a lot. And although I don't have that many like credit cards and cards or whatever, I do have like reward cards or like gas cards and stuff like that sometimes I want to take with me. You can even fold up cash and put it in here if you wanted to. I also love that this is the grained caviar leather, so it is going to be more long lasting than the lamb skin. I love this texture from Chanel. The caviar is just so durable. I have a caviar Chanel bag up there that's lasted forever. Like, it's the bag I think is from like the early 2000s. Just really, really great quality. And if you guys have seen any of my luxury videos before, you know that I'm slowly trying to build up my Chanel collection. And I think having a little SLG from Chanel really just fits within that Chanel collection. I've heard from so many people that have this that this is such a good investment because you're really gonna get a lot of use out of it, and because it is caviar, it's gonna last a very, very long time. So the way we ended up actually going about this was we ended up getting this from a seller on Instagram, and I will leave her Instagram handle down below. She's actually the person I bought this Louis Vuitton bag from, so I know that she's like a trusted, reputable seller. So this came on her Instagram as like a new item that she received, and as you saw, it came with the box, the dust bag, the receipt, and everything was brand new, never used. And the price was also really good. So these retail for $5.50 normally in Chanel, and I think at the time that I'm filming this, the price increase has not hit. It could be more now, but these retail for $5.50 in Chanel without tax, so about $600 after tax. The shop that was selling this or whatever, the Instagram seller, was charging $6.15. It was like $25 over what the retail price was, which to me was not bad. Chances of Chanel getting one of these anytime soon was very, very slim. And so like I mentioned, I did find this, and then I told my husband that's what I wanted for my birthday, so he did buy this for me. So technically it was a gift from him to me, but I was the one that ended up finding it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to put this to use. I have been wanting this for so long. Yeah, it's just fantastic that I'm able to check this off my list. Okay, so the next item I have to share with you guys is also from my husband. Like I said, it fit within his budget with the Chanel card holder, and then this item here. This is from 24S. So it is an online retailer, like kind of a department store based in France, and they carry luxury brands and stuff as well. And this is an item that I actually saw, what was it, maybe in January? I saw it in January on Instagram. I really liked the item, but I thought the price was a little bit more than I was wanting to spend, especially because I had never purchased from this brand before. Fast forward to October of this month, 24S, I was browsing on their website and I saw that they were having a sale, and this particular item went on sale. So I convinced my husband to purchase it for me as part of my birthday present. This is from Off-White, and as you can see, it is a pair of shoes. Like I mentioned, I have never purchased from Off-White. This is the first time I purchased from them. So when you open it up, it does come with 2 dust bags. That's super nice. Yeah, right? 2? Oh no, it's 1 dust bag, but it's a big dust bag for your shoes. We undo the paper, and you can kind of see it peeking through. Are we ready? Ta-da! I am obsessed. So these are called the Out of Office sneakers. So they're like triple OF. These come in several colorways, and as you can see, they kind of remind me a little bit of like a Air Force One. They have that low top style. They have the like perforating details up here, but the colorway is just stunning. So it is this beautiful like white cream and then this mauve pinky color, and it matches this jacket that I'm currently wearing a lot. So this jacket is from Target, and this was also a gift. This was a gift from my brother for my birthday. But yeah, you can just see how these match perfectly with this jacket. I love that they are like the Nike Air Force Ones. They're a little bit chunkier, but they're not super chunky dad sneakers. I love the colorway on them, and I just felt like I could get a lot of use out of them. These normally retail, I think, for $540 or $480. I can't even remember. It was definitely over $400 for this pair of sneakers. And I had recently bought the Alexander McQueen sneakers, and I have Nike Air Force Ones, and while I did really like these, I just wasn't sure how much use I was gonna get out of them, especially now being in the fall. Hopefully I did end up waiting, and they did go on sale. So I got them from 24S. I think my husband paid $230. less than $250 for these that, like I said, normally retail for over $400. So that was quite a bit of savings. These also happen to be the last size, or a size 40. I'm normally a size 9 in women's sizes. My Air Force Ones are in a size 9. So these are just a little bit, just like a tiny bit bigger, or like roomy, but they're not so big where I would have to change them or anything like that. And if I just wear like a thick sock, there's no issues whatsoever. I absolutely love these. I am so excited to wear them and style them. They already go with this jacket and shirt, and I already have so many cute ideas. So yes, this is the next thing I got. Okay, and then the last thing I have to unbox with you guys is the big Mama Jama. This is from Louis Vuitton. And I'm just so over the moon about this product. So I will unbox it first. Here is the gorgeous box. And I don't want to undo the ribbon. I'm just going to tuck it from the bottom. Take this out. And this is a bag. We open it up and have the receipt right here. And the bag is in here. Beautiful dust bag. And here she is. I'm so excited for this. So I still don't know the actual pronunciation of this. I would say it is pronounced Bullion. So this is the Louis Vuitton Bullion bag. This, as you can see, is a canvas bag. It does have black calfskin detailing right here, and then right here on the bottom left hand side it does say Louis Vuitton Paris. Does come with a gorgeous little Louis Vuitton chain, and it has a dual zipper, so you can zip it with both of them, or you can just zip one of them. The really cool part about this is that it comes with another strap. This is a black, I don't think this is calfskin, but it is a black like vachetta strap, and this strap is adjustable. So you can make it long or you can make it short. And it is detachable, so you can just add it to the bag. And now you can wear this bag with this strap and the gold chain, or you can take the gold chain off because that is detachable, and then just wear it with the black strap on there. You've been following me for some time. You saw that for a very long time, and even part of me now has been wanting the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessoire. It's the one that comes with the like car strap, and it does have the chain, and it's the canvas, and it comes in the pink or the green one. I have been wanting that bag for so long. And a part of me, like I said, still kind of wants that bag just because it's so versatile. You can like break up the pieces on there. You can use it for multiple things. Love that you can wear it casually, or like I said, just take off the strap and use a little gold chain for like a little evening moment. I love that. The problem with that is that there were so many factors that just kind of started turning me off about the bags. Here, I told myself that I really wanted to get that, especially for my birthday if I could, and so I put my name down on several wait lists for that bag, and it never came in. One time I did see it actually come in online, and by the time I ran to get my wallet so I could pay for it and came back to check out, it was completely sold out. So I was getting really frustrated because I wanted that bag when it was like $1,800, and then it skyrocketed to $1,900 to more than $2,000 by this year. And in August, I had actually seen a video talking about this bag and all the features and stuff. I think it must have been someone that worked at Louis Vuitton, because I hadn't seen reviews or anything like that. I saw this bag and I saw how versatile it was with the different straps. I had liked the shape and I liked the canvas touch on this. And for a while, I've also been wanting to get a Louis Vuitton bag that has this black calfskin and black detailing. So it just seemed to check off so many boxes. So then when I was seriously thinking about whether I wanted this one or I wanted to try to get the multi-pochette, like I said, things just kind of kept coming up. The multi-pochette was so hard to get. It had gotten price increases. This one was actually cheaper than the multi-pochette accessoire. Do have smaller bags already. So then I was thinking about like the multi-pochette, even though it has like 2 different bags and the little coin purse and it's versatile, it's still a small bag. I'm really lacking in my collection a medium-sized bag, something like this or a little bit bigger, that I can use as a purse. All of my bags seem to be so small. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna get hate for this, but I started seeing so many Like so many fake and replica multi-pochette accessoires. It's just my opinion. If you buy fake bags, that's totally up to you. But I don't know, something about it just kind of really put me off. And I liked the uniqueness of this, that not everybody had this bag. I really have not seen anyone post about this bag on social media or anything like that. I kind of loved that aspect of it. So I told my SA I wanted this bad boy, and she put me on a list. In September, she called me saying, yeah, I think we're gonna get a shipment in of this. Do you wanna come buy one? I know you were waiting for your birthday. So I went into the store to try it on, and I absolutely fell in love with it. It was the last one with the black, because it does come in the regular vachetta, the like neutral one. It was the last one with the black, and I had actually heard rumblings that there was going to be a price increase at Louis Vuitton. And so when I was there, I was like, yeah, this is the bag I want for my birthday. If there's going to be a price increase, and this is the last black one, what if another black one doesn't come in? I pulled the trigger, and thank God I did, because literally the first week or second week of October, Louis Vuitton initiated a price increase, and this bag went up $200, not including taxes, just $200 more expensive than when I had bought it in September. I really have been lacking in my collection a more medium-sized bag, so I wanted to treat myself for this birthday. I've been working very hard this year. I did make bonuses, and so I figured since this is a more pricier piece, I would just buy it for myself for my birthday. So I'm very, very happy to add this little guy into my collection. I actually don't have any canvas pieces in my collection for Louis Vuitton, so this will be the first canvas piece I get. I'm so happy with this guy. I'm happy I picked this up when I did, and I picked this up instead of the multi-pochette. Don't quote me, I might still get the multi-pochette because I really do like it, and like I said, there's not many canvas pieces that I still really like with the monogram on there. That one I still really like, but so far I am loving, absolutely loving this guy. I'm just obsessed with it, and I cannot wait to wear it. Alright, you guys, so that is it. That was my luxury unboxing. Leave it down in the comments below which one of these gifts was your favorite. I do want to say, because I didn't say it at the beginning of the video, and if you've made it this long, I really hope you guys understand that I am not trying to brag in any way or anything like that. I just get so excited about the gifts, and I want to share it with everybody and get you guys' opinion, because we are a little community here, and I am forever grateful for the gifts that I do get. I'm forever grateful for my husband, my parents, and just, you know, myself, that I'm in a really blessed place to treat myself with such really marvelous things. Leave it down in the comment which one was your favorite gift, or if any of these items are on your wish list. If you have any of these items, I'd love to know your thoughts as well. Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, all that stuff is going to be left down below for you guys, as well as coupon codes to help you save some money. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Stay safe, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.